Welcome to Bedtime Stories channel. I'm your bedtime companion, Etin. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a boy named Millet. Millet loved folding things out of paper, and his favorite thing to fold was paper boats. He often imagined himself sailing the world in a paper boat, exploring every corner. One day, Millet folded a special colored paper into a small paper boat. He drew a smiley face and windows on the boat, and even added a tiny paper flag. He placed the paper boat on the windowsill, hoping that it could take him on an adventure. That night, a gentle breeze blew, and a miracle happened. The paper boat came to life. It gently floated down to the floor, searching for a way outside. It wanted to help Millet fulfill his dream of exploring the world. The paper boat floated to the doorway and quietly slipped out of Millet's house. It drifted along the stream and floated to the edge of the river. As it floated along, it sang,
"Drifting, drifting, little paper boat, off to see the world so bright."
At the riverbank, the paper boat met a little frog. The frog asked curiously,
"Where are you going, little paper boat?"
The paper boat smiled and said,
"I'm going to explore the world, to see all the wonders outside."
The frog said.
"Then I'll come with you."
So the frog jumped onto the paper boat, and they floated down the river together, embarking on a wonderful journey. They passed through a dense forest and met enthusiastic squirrels and friendly rabbits. Everyone admired the paper boat's dream and decided to adventure together. They continued to float until they reached a beautiful lake. In the center of the lake was a mysterious island with a sparkling tower. The paper boat and its friends decided to land on the island and explore what wonders lay inside. As they approached the tower, a gentle old turtle appeared. The turtle smiled and said,
"Welcome, brave young adventurers. This tower holds secrets about dreams. Only those who carry dreams and perseverance can discover them."
The paper boat and its friends entered the tower and found many sparkling gems and ancient books inside. They carefully opened one book which said, "Dreams and perseverance are the keys to success. They will bring you endless possibilities and a beautiful future." The paper boat understood. Although it was just a small paper boat, because of dreams and perseverance, they created miracles together. The paper boat and its friends happily returned to the village and told Millet their adventure story. Millet was delighted to find that the paper boat had truly fulfilled his dream. Although Millet didn't personally go on the adventure, he learned a lot from the paper boat's experience. He shared this story with his friends, and everyone celebrated together, sharing the joy and inspiration. The paper boat was no longer just a paper boat. It symbolized the miracle of dreams and perseverance. Remember, As long as you have dreams and perseverance, you can create miracles. Good night, sweet dreams.